Hi friends, welcome to my channel Maintenance Coach. Actually, for the last few days, I was working on different kind of air conditions, and in fact, I conducted a test on inverter AC and non-inverter AC, and you would not believe that I found an exciting result, very exciting result, which you would love to know. So let's see what's the result I found. Firstly, I conducted a test with non-inverter AC with a portable energy meter, and after 24 hours I saw that the consumption of non-inverter AC is approximately 14 kilowatt hour, and the same test I conducted with inverter AC, and I was just amazed to see the result. The consumption of inverter AC is only 8 point something kilowatt hour. So see the result here. So clearly you can see that the consumption of inverter AC. Yeah, I just forgot to mention that I took a 1.8 ton split AC for this testing, and clearly from the result you see that the consumption of inverter AC is much lower than the consumption of non-inverter AC. So I would strongly recommend you friends to go for the inverter AC always, and encourage others as well to go for the inverter AC. You will have two benefits with this. Number one, you will save electrical energy, you will save electricity cost, and you will save environment as well, because whenever you are saving electrical energy, you are reducing CO2 emission to the environment. So I hope you have got something to learn from this video, and do like and share this video, and subscribe my channel so that I'll come up with more and more videos like this, so you will get something to learn from my channel. Till the next video, tata, bye bye.